quick video for example for 2.5, question number 4. In this particular example, they're telling us that the width of a brick is half the length, so that's W is equal to 1/2 L. And it says that the length is 2 inches less than 8 times the height. So that's where the 8h minus 2 comes into play, and then just h. Now, we're told that the width plus the height plus the length is equal to 26.25 inches, and then we know the volume is the length times the width times the height. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write this equation here simply in terms of h. So we know that the width is 1/2 the length, and the length is 8h minus 2. So we're going to go ahead and write that as 1/2 times 8h minus 2 plus 8h minus 2, which is the length, plus h, which is just the height, and then equals to 26.25. We're going to go ahead and distribute the 1/2, and which is going to give us 4h minus 1 plus 8h minus 2 plus h is equal to 26.25. We're going to go ahead and combine like terms, so that's going to give us 13h minus 3 is equal to 26.25. We're going to add the 3 to both sides, and that we're going to have 13h is equal to 29.25. And then we're going to go ahead and divide the 29.25 divided by 13, and that is going to give us 2.25. So the height is equal to 2.25. Let's go over here. So the height is equal to 2.25. And remember that the volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. And so in this example, then the length will be 8 times 2.25 minus 2. Right, so it's going to be 8 times 2.25 minus 2, and that's going to give us that the length is 16. Now, since the length is 16, the width is just going to be half of that, which is 8. And so, of course, the height is 2.25. So the length is 16 inches, the width is 8 inches, and the height is 2.25 inches. And so now we're going to go ahead and find the volume using this formula. So the volume is going to be equal to 16 times 8 times 2.25. And when we multiply all those together, what we're going to get is our final answer. And when we do that, we get, oh, no, that's too much. So 16 times 8 times 2.25. Sometimes this calculator doesn't work too well. So is 288 cubic inches is our final answer. Thank you.